In this video tutorial, I'm going to highlight the new iOS 26.3 built-in transfer to Android tool. So with the new update, iOS 26.3, Apple released a really easy and simple and very little talked about tool that can help you transfer from your iPhone over to an Android device. So first things first, make sure you're running the latest version of the iOS, and a couple of things you need to do before you start. First, turn off iMessage. When you're under settings, search for Messages, the app, and then once you are here, you want to go ahead and turn that off. So where it says iMessage, tap on iMessage to disable that. It needs to be over to the left and grayed out. The next thing you need to do is turn off FaceTime. So go to Settings, search for FaceTime like you see here under Apps, and then disable FaceTime by tapping the little option here and make sure it's to the left and grayed out just like so. Make sure you've unpaired your Apple Watch if you have one connected. Charge both phones, iPhone and Android, to at least 80%. I'd have them plugged in if you can, and connect to Wi-Fi. Once you've done that, it's as simple as opening your settings on your iPhone. Go to General, and then go to the bottom, and then at the bottom you should see an option that says Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap that option there. Now at the bottom of the screen you should see an option that says Transfer to Android. Go ahead and tap that button there. The way that it works is it does it wirelessly, but when you have your new Android phone, go ahead and power it up and use the QR code or session ID plus a pairing code that should come up, and everything should transfer as far as photos, messages, notes, apps, passwords, phone numbers, contacts. But what does not transfer is your health data, any Bluetooth pairings that you have, or any locked notes within Apple Notes. And then all you have to do is follow the prompts on your iPhone as well as your Android device, and within a few minutes, depending on the size of the things being transferred, you should be ready and up and running on your new Android device.